we are discussing about photosynthetic pigments. So, photosynthetic pigments. So, many different kind of pigments, they are involved in the process of photosynthesis. So, first thing, raw materials. Raw materials are, one is the water and carbon dioxide. Water, carbon dioxide are that is the raw materials. Next, sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Next, third thing is pigments. Pigments, there are different types. Like one is the chlorophylls. Chlorophylls, many subtypes. One is the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, and bacterial chlorophyll. Next, bacterial viridin. These are the chlorophylls. Out of these chlorophylls, two important chlorophylls are there, A and B. A and B are the very important and essential chlorophylls to enter the chlorophylls. So, A and B chlorophylls are the important chlorophylls. Next, carotenoids. Second type of pigments for photosynthesis, carotenoids. And third type of pigments, that is phycobilins. So, chlorophylls, carotenoids, and phycobilins. Carotenoids, two types. One is the carotenes and xanthophylls. Next, that is the phycobilins are again two types. That is the phycocyanin. Next, phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin. So, these are the chlorophylls, carotenoids, and phycobilins. These are the three important type of pigments. First of all, we need to talk about chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Comparisons of chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. This is chlorophyll A, this is chlorophyll B. First thing, actually chlorophyll A, actual color is bluish green color, and chlorophyll B mainly olive green chlorophyll B. Next, at the R position is methyl group. Next, here R position aldehyde group. CH3 means methyl group, CHO means aldehyde group. Next, reflected color. Reflected color is red. Here, reflected color is, that is a yellowish red, brownish red. brownish red. And transmitted color, transmitted color is transmitted color or transmitted light is green. Here transmitted color is yellowish green. Transmitted light or color is light or color is yellowish green. Yellowish green. That is, these are the differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Wait. So chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A actual color is bluish green. Chlorophyll B actual color is olive green. Next, chlorophyll A R position is occupied with the methyl group. Chlorophyll B R position is occupied with the aldehyde group. Chlorophyll A reflected color is red color. Chlorophyll B reflected color is brownish red. Chlorophyll A transmitted color or transmitted light is green. Transmitted light of chlorophyll B is yellowish green. Chlorophylls. Mainly talk about chlorophylls. To the entire chlorophylls mainly contain two parts. One is the head part. Chlorophylls mainly have head part. Second one, tail. First one is head, second one is tail. It means chlorophylls are made up of two parts. One is the head, one more is the tail. Head part is, that is the porphyrin head. Porphyrin head. Tail, phytol side head. Side chain. Phytol side chain. Head, porphyrin head. Next tail, that is phytol side chain. This is chlorophyll structure. So we need to take up the chlorophyll structure. So magnesium is occupies middle place. It means magnesium is present in the middle. Next, magnesium attaches 4 rings, and 4 rings mainly connected with nitrogen. Four rings are connected with nitrogen atoms. So these nitrogen atoms again connected with pyrrole rings. Pyrrole rings. So magnesium at middle, it means head part magnesium is present. This magnesium connected with 4 rings. These rings again connected with 4 nitrogen atoms. 4 nitrogen atoms are again connected with pyrrole rings. Pyrrole rings. And pyrrole ring 1, pyrrole ring 2, pyrrole ring 3, pyrrole ring 4. Pyrrole ring 1, pyrrole ring 2, pyrrole ring 3, pyrrole ring 4. So pyrrole rings, it means it is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4. These rings are called pyrrole rings. These rings are called pyrrole rings. Pyrrole ring 1, pyrrole ring 2, pyrrole ring 3, pyrrole ring 4. So pyrrole ring 4. Next one more ring also attached to this third ring. This is fifth ring. This is fifth ring. That is, fifth ring is cyclopentanose ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 rings are the pyrrole rings. Next, fifth ring is attaches with the third ring. That fifth ring is called cyclopentanose ring. Cyclopentanose ring. These pyrrole rings and this cyclopentanose ring to make up the porphyrin head. Porphyrin head part. Okay, porphyrin head part. These pyrrole rings also called as tetrapyrrolic rings. This is tetrapyrrolic rings because 4 rings, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 rings are called tetra, means 4. Tetrapyrrolic ring. Also, this is a pyrrole ring. And fifth ring is called cyclopentanose ring. Cyclopentanose ring and pyrrole rings. These 5 rings are to make up. That is a porphyrin head. Porphyrin head. Next, these 4 rings have mainly carbon numbers. So, carbon numbers. So, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6, carbon number 7, carbon number 8, carbon number 9, carbon number 10. So, these 4 rings are, they are connected with 4, that is the carbon atoms, carbons. So, carbon number 1, carbon number 2 places, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6, carbon number 7, carbon number 8 and fifth carbon, carbon number 9, carbon number 10. 10 carbon atoms, carbon molecules are present. Carbon numbers are present in these rings. At the third carbon, R position is attached. At the third carbon, R position is attached, and this R position have methyl group. So, this R position have methyl group in chlorophyll A, and these R position contain aldehyde group in chlorophyll B. So, at the third carbon, R position is there. This R position have, that is a methyl group means chlorophyll A, and aldehyde group means, that is a chlorophyll B. When we identify either this is chlorophyll or chlorophyll A or chlorophyll B, we are mainly based on R position. In case of chlorophyll A, R position occupied with, that is a methyl group. In case of chlorophyll B, the R position occupied with aldehyde. Methane group attached with R position means chlorophyll A. Aldehyde group attached with R position, that is chlorophyll B. These two is the functional groups. Functional group methyl means chlorophyll A. Functional group aldehyde means, that is a chlorophyll B. That is a feature of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Next, at the 7th position, at the place of 7th carbon, hydrocarbon ring which is mainly attached. So, it is 20 carbons, 20 hydrocarbons. 20 hydrocarbons are attached with at the place of 7th carbon. 7th carbon attaches with 20 carbons, hydrocarbons. So, at the 7th carbon attaches 20 hydrocarbons. These 20 hydrocarbons are to make up phytol tail. That is a phytol tail. And this. What is that? Tetrapyloric ring and cyclopentanose ring. These two to make up, that is a porphyrin head. Porphyrin head. Porphyrin head and that is a phytol tail. This is total. This both is to made up of. These both are mainly present in the chlorophylls. Chlorophyll structure made up of two. One is the head part. One is the tail part. Head part made up of tetrapyrrolic ring and cyclopentanose ring. Tail part made up of at the 7th carbon 20 carbon molecules are attached. Hydrocarbon molecules are attached. That is phytol tail or phytol side chain or phytol side chain. Phytol side chain. This is the chlorophylls. This is the chlorophylls. Head part and tail part. Head part and tail part. Next type of pigments, carotenoids. Carotenoids. Next type of pigments, they are carotenoids. Carotenoids mainly two types. Carotenoids mainly two types. One is the carotenes. Next xanthophylls. Carotenes mainly which is color orange red. Orange red. Next xanthophylls mainly yellowish brown. Yellowish brown. Orange red and yellowish brown. Next carotenoids. These carotenoids mainly what is that? Carotenoids mainly carotenoids and xanthophylls. Carotenoid structure C40, carbon molecules are 40, hydrogen molecules are 56. So carbon molecules are 40, hydrogen molecules are 56. And xanthophylls, carbon molecules are 40, what is that? 40, hydrogen molecules are 56, oxygen molecules are 2. Oxygen molecules are 2. So carbon 40, hydrogen 56. That is carotenes. Next, carbon molecules are 40, hydrogen molecules are 56, and oxygen molecules are 2. That is xanthophyll structure. These carotenes and xanthophylls mainly fatty nature. Fatty nature, or that is a oily nature. It means fatty substances, that is a fatty oil nature. Oil nature or lipid. Oil nature or lipid nature. Lipid molecules. Lipid molecules. So carotenes mainly orange red color, they are carotenes. Xanthophylls are yellowish brown color. Next C40H56, that is carotenes. C40H56, oxygen molecules are 2, that is xanthophylls. These carotenes mainly fatty nature, all oily nature or lipid molecules actually. Next, phycobilins. Third type of, what is that? Third type of chlorophylls, that is phycobilins. Phycobilins mainly found in blue green algae. Found in blue green algae. These phycobilins mainly two categories. Again two categories. One is the phycocyanin. These phycocyanin mainly purple color pigment. Purple color pigment. Second one, that is phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin, which is mainly a red color pigment. Red color pigment. So phycobilins and these phycobilins are mainly found in blue green algae. Phycobilins are two types, phycocyanin purple color pigment, next phycoerythrin, that is red color pigment. Next these phycobilins are mainly not have magnesium at center and not have tail, phytol tail, not have phytol tail, not have phytol tail. So phycobilins do not have magnesium in middle. Next phycobilins do not have phytol tail, that is phycobilins. Next so these are the important chlorophylls in our concept, that is what is that? Photosynthetic pigments. Next class we need to discussing about the site of photosynthesis. Where is the photosynthesis exactly takes place? In mesophyll cells of leaf. So tomorrow next class we need to understand site of photosynthesis.